Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at 5 Chick Hickses, which are pretty cool paint jobs. So yeah, without further ado, let's start off this review or showcase on all the Chick Hicks. So the first one we have to look at is the plain old regular Chick Hicks that has been released from Mattel many times before. You gotta love his paint job, of course, with all the sponsors. Yep. So before we start this review / showcase on all of them, we gotta add a movie scene of where he appeared at least once in Cars 1. There he appeared, that's where he appeared. So yeah, let's start on this review of the regular Chick Hicks. So he's got this nice, of course, grilled like moustache thing here, which is always very funny. I always used to find that funny in the movie, like going, how can cars have a moustache? Yeah, I just find that funny. 86 on the headlight here, HTB, pretty cool. HTB, Hostile Takeover Bank, is his sponsor. We got some balloons, these yellow balloons here. There's his eye expression, his eye colour is brown. We got 86 here on the roof, as you can see. All the different sponsors, bumper save, mood springs, leakless, revolting, fibre fuel, and some others that aren't even in the actual Cars movie, like Sludgy. We got on the back here HTB, and some more sponsors. Here's the side, Lightyear rims, pretty cool. 86 on the side here, exhaust pipes. On the back, HTB, Hostile Takeover Bank. Here's the back, HTB, Hostile Takeover Bank again. Easy idle, octane gain, no stall, shifty jug, RPM tank coat, and here is the base. This is the one that is made in 2008. So surprisingly, he is still in good condition. But yeah, that is the first Chick Hicks we will be taking a close look at. The next one is the only other one here that is actually genuinely released from Mattel, is the silver one. So of course we got this Chick Hicks. It is exactly the same, just that it's made in Thailand, and now it is silver. Looks pretty cool. Of course, up next is all factory customs, and one of my favourites is this baby blue Chick Hicks, which looks just cool. Look at the colours. If Chick Hicks were blue, the green has changed, or the Hostile Takeover Bank has now changed to green. The sponsors have changed to green. It looks pretty cool. I think you can still buy these on eBay for around like a few pounds if you wanted to. Yep, there is that Chick Hicks, and another one that was actually released, but this isn't the released version. This is the Ramsburg Chick Hicks. I believe there is only like 20 of these that actually get in the whole entire world, if I'm not mistaken. But yet we can see he's all in red this time. Looks pretty cool. One of my favourites is that it's not actually a normal Chick Hicks, it's a Dynaco Chick Hicks, but in gold. And gold cars are always amazing. It's a shame that Mattel don't focus that much on gold cars, but you can see the whole thing is just gold. And I wish Mattel done more sponsors or races that were gold, or any car that was gold. Even a golden DJ from, you know, the Cars Fastest Lightning game would look cool. And again, this is not an official release because no date stamp. So yeah, I'm going to bring out all the Chick Hickses now. Here is the silver one. Here is the baby blue one. We've got the Ramsburg one. There is more Chick Hicks variants out there than this. These are just some of my favourites that I wanted to share with you guys, just for a video. So what I'm going to do now is going to take some pictures of them and then do the outro. And yeah, let's do that now. Thank you to everyone who got this far into the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification down below, leave a like, comment, all that stuff. Of course, the next one. Peace, guys.